Coronavirus cases continue to climb across Virginia and North Carolina. In the Commonwealth, there are now at least 290 cases. 9 people have died. The latest deaths happened in Central Virginia. The victims were residents of a rehabilitation and healthcare center in Henrico County. In North Carolina, there are 398 cases. No one has died. Governor Roy Cooper has requested a major disaster declaration for the state. Today, Durham plans to issue a stay-at-home order for its people in an effort to stop the spread of coronavirus. While people across the country are urged to stay home, domestic violence organizations say they're seeing an uptick in abuse. 10 on your side's Kiana Patterson joins us live outside the Wavy TV 10 studios in Portsmouth to explain. Kiana?
That's right. Advocates for domestic violence awareness tell me that the COVID-19 outbreak could make domestic violence victims even more vulnerable. I spoke with the transition shelter out in Hampton, and they tell me that they're seeing more survivors call for help. Director Sanu Jang says this is an extremely stressful time as many people have lost their job and are worried about getting sick. But since survivors are forced to stay home or in close contact with their abuser, this can create an unsafe environment. Now, the group of dedicated staff are working remotely, but they want to stress that they are here to help. If you need help day or night, you can call this number on your screen.
We know that they're feeling trapped as we're all fearful of what's happening on the outside. They're fearful of what's happening on the inside. We know that this is not a time that we can shut our doors and think that domestic violence is not going to exist during that time. We know that it's going to increase. So we just encourage those that are experiencing violence at home, whether it be verbal, emotional, or physical, to just reach out and call us.
And the organization is committed to giving people a safe escape option, but they need help with partnerships with hotels, transportation services, and they also need people to donate cell phones or Wi-Fi devices. If you can help with this, please contact the organization. But coming up in just 30 minutes, I'll explain how some abusers are using the pandemic to control their victims. In Portsmouth, Kiana Patterson, 10 on your side.